I'm joined by MD of LIC, Shri Raj Kumar. Sir, thank you so much for talking to ET now. Sir, next event is budget. Everyone is waiting for union budget, which will be announced on 1st of February. So, as per life insurance industry, what are the main expectation of the life insurance sector, life insurance industry?
Thank you, Nagji. Life insurance sector as a whole expect that the government may have a relook at the total deductions which are allowed under Section 80C, because these deductions, the limit was fixed many years back. Since then, the inflation has gone up. So one of the expectation is that this limit will go up. The other is the parity between the contributions made to NPS and annuity plans of life insurance companies. There is some demand that there has to be parity, because both of the products are of similar nature. These are the two basic things which life insurance industry is looking at.
Yes, sir. So one more thing I want to understand from you, that government regulator is also looking for composite license. So what are your views on composite license? How composite license will change overall life insurance sector?
Anuragji, it's not life insurance sector, it's the total insurance sector. You see, India is a very huge country. Even the life insurance benefits have not reached to all the working population. But if you look at the general insurance segment, the data suggests that there is a huge potential still available, which is untapped. So having a composite license will be exciting proposition for Life Insurance Corporation of India also. Of course, at the due time, the board will take a call on that. But if you ask me personally, I am for organic as well as an inorganic growth for the Life Insurance Corporation of India. My submission is from the fact that we have 13.5 lakh agents working across the country. Many of them may be working from general insurance companies also. We have the distribution reach, we have the offices, we have a very strong actuarial team, we have the technology also. And once upon a time, we were actually a composite insurer, I think up to 1972, when the general insurance came into picture, and Oriental, which was part of LIC, Oriental Insurance, they were carved out as a separate company. So we have that kind of DNA already running in our veins, and I think it's going to be a very exciting space for us.
So, to begin with, after the composite license, companies will majorly focus on health insurance or overall space?
In health, Anurag, there are two type of products. Indemnity based are still being sold by general insurance companies, and fixed benefit are sold by the life insurance companies. India needs a very big healthcare system. So that's going to be very big business. But at the same time, as I said earlier also, the general insurance, which is the property insurance or the cargo insurance or the vehicle insurance or even the cattle insurance, crop insurance, these are very big markets which have not been explored fully by the insurance industry. So I believe that it is going to deepen the market further, and the benefits will be reaped by the public at large. The bigger the risk pool, the lesser risk will be faced by the insurance companies. So they will be able to offer better and better products to the market. This is my belief.
Sir, you said that there is so much of scope in insurance sector, and we talked just about the life insurance industry. So going ahead in a recent time, where life insurance companies will be putting more thrust, seeing the overall changing scenario of interest rate and other things.
Anuragji, let me say, after the COVID tail is still there, what we are witnessing is the revenge spending. You go to the airports, they are full. You go to the shopping malls, they are full. The evidence is in the GST collection and the direct taxes collection, which is up 25%, and more than 1.5 trillion is the GST collections every month. That means people are spending. Within that, if you look at the life insurance sector, it's also growing at a very fantastic pace. I believe that the revenge spending will taper off in the times to come, maybe in a 6 month to 1 year period, and that savings will again be available for life insurance companies to tap into life insurance segment. So the future is going to be bright for the life insurance segment. This is my belief. Second part is, you asked about the products. The interest rates have gone up recently. They will remain maybe at elevated place for some time. Ultimately, they will fall down. Because for the country to grow, we need to have infrastructure, and for infrastructure, we need to have cheaper funds, and cheaper funds come when the interest rates fall. So my belief is that the people's preferences will shift towards guaranteed products where they are cushioned against the interest rate fluctuations. The second is annuities. Uh, just 3% of the working population enjoys some kind of annuity, mainly from the government sector, state and central and public sector. Many people don't know that they can also buy a life insurance, annuity policy from a life insurance company, and they can enjoy the same kind of benefits as an employee enjoys. Even I had gone on record saying that even we have to pay 10% of our salary to buy a pension. It's not coming free to us. The third is the wealth creation. People will be looking at the wealth creation also, which comes through the ULIPs, which is already gaining momentum. For us also, it's gaining momentum because life insurance risk coverage plus wealth creation, both many people prefer for that. The third is a pure protection. Pure protection because the new generation is more educated than the elderly old generation, where the people used to prefer a saving kind of product, just a saving kind of product. The new generation is more interested in term products, and their demand will go up. I'm not saying that the demand for the saving products will come down, but I mean it will vanish. It will come down, but at the same time there will be a growth in this segment. The fourth and most important segment is health. As you rightly said in the beginning, also India need a healthcare system, and individuals have to contribute for that, and they should go for health insurance products. We have seen during pandemic, people have to shell out and they have to sell their properties, and they became paupers when billing the hospital bills. So I think in future, as more and more people come to know about the health products, this market has exciting space which can be covered by the life insurance companies in future.
So my last question would be that you are in life insurance corporation from last 40 years. So according to you, how life insurance or in a way insurance has evolved in last 40 years and how it will change in coming time also?
Anuragji, you have put a very right question. I joined in 1984 and I saw that how difficult it was to sell even a 5,000 policy. It still continues to be a push product. People don't buy insurance, it has to be sold, they have to be convinced. We have seen that the average ticket size has gone up both in terms of sum assured as well as in premium. But if we look at the total potential available, virtually we can sell life insurance to now every segment of the society up to the age 70 or sometimes certain products beyond that also. But if statistically you analyze probably 20 to 23% of the population who is eligible for the life insurance is actually buying the life insurance. So although in the last 40 years there has been a lot of traction, number of policies sold have gone up, but the number of uninsured people is still very large. So my belief is that this insurance business, life insurance business, has a lot of potential for the future also. As India grows, Indian economy grows, more money will be in the pockets of the customers, and then they will be able to buy varied benefits from the life insurance companies for their lifestyle needs related to pension or the protection or the health or maybe the wealth creation.
Thank you so much for.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.